In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil boots on your Ford Expedition. It's located under the hood. You're going to have 8 total. There will be 4 on each side. They're all right here, and the same on the other side. We're going to start by disconnecting our connector. So push it on the tab and pull up. Set it aside. And now we're going to use a 7mm socket, and we'll remove the bolt. I'm using an extension as well. Remove the bolt and remove your coil. Remove the boot. And the spring. And now we're going to install our new spring. They're both the same on both sides, so you don't have to worry about that. Make sure that's fully inserted. Now we're going to put this over it. Like that. Now we're going to put a little dielectric grease right there. Just going to put a little bit right there. And we're going to feed it through. Insert it, push down. I'm going to have to use a lot of pressure to get it in there. Once it's seated properly, you can start your bolt. Now you can tighten it down, and we're going to be torquing this to 53 inch-pounds. I'm going to stop right there, grab my torque wrench. And there we go. And now you can plug it in. Push down and make sure it's locked in. The process is the same for the rest of them.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.